I'm Kyle Loftis, owner of 1320 Video. Yeah, this is my first project build.
Everyone probably thinks this is like the coolest job in the world all the time. It's pretty much full-time race car stuff. I had no idea it would grow to this size. Started this about 16 years ago.
Actual video camera that records to tapes. So for the first, I don't know, 5 or 6 years of 1320 Video recording the tapes. Rode in SW's twin turbo Lambo, but I've been obsessed with twin turbo V10s ever since I heard the first one.
I'd say 1320 Video today is, we're the largest street car video company in the world. And we go out there and trying to find the weirdest, craziest stuff we can to show to our audience worldwide. 9 million fans, by the way.
Well, from 1320 coming our way in search, and you need to stay on the juice car.
Dude. Pretty nuts.
I want to give you a hug.
Watch the shoulder.
I love it. It's literally like you're street racing in Texas or any highway.
Jesus. A little bit of driving there.
Yeah.
I met this guy way back in World Cup finals, way back in the day, before 1320 was even this big, you know what I mean? I mean, it was heard of, but it wasn't a 3 million plus subscribed channel, you know what I mean?
I started this just because I have some weird obsession for taking photos and videos of like everything. And I got into, I think I got that from my grandpa. And I was in car audio. And pretty much everyone that's in car audio eventually goes to fast cars, or they just lose all their money spending on stereo equipment. And I had this really weird obsession with finding different ways of sharing what I shot with more and more and more people.
Time to turn the boost up.
Yeah?
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Thanks. Home doing taxes and HR, hiring and firing and all this stuff. It's not fun. I just want to go hang out with my friends at the racetrack. That's all I want to do. I've got like a photo bug, video bug, I guess. And I don't know, this keeps me going.
Thanks, Kyle. We'll see you, brother.
See you guys.
Thanks, man.
I appreciate it.